This is Motocross, and I'm about to do some really cool things with this. Now, I'm going to get started with, I'm also going to show you some races. I'm not very far in the game, but never mind. I've unlocked a lot of things. So far, I'm pretty good. I'm going to do some cool things with some, racing. First, I'm just going to say that my two favorites are Sandstorm Raid and MX Challenge Supercross. Here we go. First one, I'm going to do Sandstorm Raid. But I'm also going to do some more other races, so this is not going to be just two. I'm going to start. Also, there is... This is a really cool... What the heck? Oh my gosh, what the heck? What on earth? Ah! I'm going to restart because something was going way too wrong. Here we go. Oh, darn. Dang. Whee! That was awesome. Oh, what? I totally nailed the landing. Oh my gosh. That was a can, and I'm going to do some other cool tricks. Oh, come on. Well, my record for crash flight is 37 feet, or meters, I should say. Oh, come on. I'm not very good at this game, but it's cool. I don't even know what place I'm in right now because it's too wide. I'm just going to scroll up a little bit. We're going to do that again. Here we go! Jump! Oh, what? I didn't do anything. Why ain't I doing anything? How am I still going? Oh, there we go. Oh, so now you're going to let me do something? Superman. Dun, 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 dun. Came in second place. Now we're going to do a different one. My second favorite, MX Challenge Supercross. This one is low ramped, so it's kind of fun. But I'm really good at it, so this isn't the only time I've done this. Jump! He nails the landing! Oh! What has gone wrong with him? His handles left the bars. Whoa, heart attack. No, whatever it means. Oh darn, that was horrible. Can on the side. I meant to do a trick there. Why ain't I doing anything? Oh wow, I did not land the landing on that one. That was kind of bad. Alright, this is my fourth or fifth video. I think fourth. Oh darn, why do I keep failing? My other videos are not motocross. It's one Minecraft video and two Do Perfect videos. Now I'm going to do another one that was my second favorite, and it was awesome. This one I just can't complete. And that's what I'm going to try. It's called New Year's Eve. I'm going to do it. I'm going to fail. Here I go. Actually, I've gotten kind of better. Not horrible. Did I do a vault? No! I failed. I told you, I'm not really good at this one. Oh, I failed that. I did not. I did not. That was really stupid. Oh my god, I came in first because I got the most points. Oh my gosh, I can't believe this. I cannot. I just can't. That was amazing. Oh man, that's not turning out good. Alright, this might turn out well. Turned out well, and I'm gonna go full speed, camera, action, no! Why did that happen? Oh, what happened there? Fuck. Darn. 2 out of 3. I'm gonna fail. What hell? Darn. Here I go. About to fail the jumps. Yeah. Dun, dun, dun. Darn! This is why I hate this course. It's hard to do. I just can't get it. And I didn't move a single bit, so that was stupid. I'm not doing that. My controls are going stupidly. Probably because I'm making a video with this. I hate going up that ramp. I can't do a vault very well. I did a knack. 2 times knack, can, backflip. Whee! That was good. 4 master combo. I'm definitely gonna come in first. Yeah! Bum, 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 bum. Alright, here we go. Dun, dun, dun. Once I go out the ramp, I'm gonna press space. Bum, bum, bum. Go, go. Hate this game. No, I don't. Go. Superman failed! Like I said, I'm not really good at this one, so I'm gonna probably break it up. Exit. Also, if you're wondering what the controls are, it's ZXC space and keypad. There's just the ones with the arrows that allow you to play games. Oh, I hate loading. There we go. Also, arena freestyle is pretty cool. Sometimes when I do it, I fail because the first time I ever done this course really did not help me. I came in first. Wow. Well, 30 points. That was awesome. I'm gonna do it again. One more time. I'm just gonna do it. And I'm gonna go down the line. He's going 3, 2, 1, let's go! How cool. I did it. Desert Cross and Frozen Lake are cool. Oh, it's called Desert Sunset though. Here I go. 2 rivals. Here we go. Lift off. Dun, dun, dun. Oh man, I didn't do a trick. Why won't it work? Do a trick. Darn. Yeah. I know what got you too. So here I go up the ramp. I'm gonna jump through backward, can. I can't tell. Why do they call that Superman? It's like a curve. I can't tell why they call that a heart attack either. And if you can hear that, that's just my dog. He's crazy. Be quiet, Teddy! Did I come first? Yeah, I came first. Well, I was only 1 minute, 3 seconds. Wow. I'm not gonna do that New Year's Eve now, no matter how much you want me to, game. I'm just gonna do Ice Cross. Cool. I might do all of them. Maybe. There's 2 more I have not showed you, and I just keep going backwards. I don't know why. I already have some awards. Master Wheelie. Hey, when you land on your front wheel, it's just not gonna turn out good. And I didn't even do a single control. Why won't I can't? I just can't do any tricks right now. I don't know why. Hey, well, if you're gonna do a backward, then do a backward. So, the reason I don't come in first place is because this keeps on going off. Oh god. And yeah, new record, 41-meter crash flight. I'm gonna do this, a little bit of that. Oh no. Wheelie, wheelie. Heart attack. No, go back. Stupid. I told you I'm not very good with the snow ones. There's snow blowing on your face. I failed and I crossed. Trick. I did 7 tricks. Seriously. No reward. The ones I haven't showed you is Frozen Lake Cross. Pretty much, and then I might do this one. Frozen Lake's not very cool. See, no ramps, no hills, go high. Except for like 1. Sometimes when you fail, it's kind of cool. They just want to do a trick. Teddy, be quiet! Still doing a video, Teddy. Superman, when you're close to the ground, is not going to turn out good. No. Not going to allow you to. I'm going to roll down a hill. Or not. Yeah, I'm going to pass you. I'm going to pass you. Yay! That first guy in first place. Fail! Dun dun dun! No, I failed. Go! 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 Get off the bike! Get out of your misery! I'm gonna go up the ramp and I'm gonna... Crap. Well, that was fun. I hate my controls in this game. There's one more that you can go on forever free ride practice. I'm gonna do it like 1 or 2 times, or maybe even 3, whichever one you want me to. It's like nothing to me, so you might like it. Except the only thing is that it can get kind of tricky. Trickiest one is when you're gonna land into the woods. Bum bum, heart attack. I'm gonna do a wheelie. No, go, just do a wheelie. Here we go. I want to do a stoppie. Here it comes. Hey, no! See, you bounce off the ramp. I might just do 2 more, maybe. Yeah, I'll do 2 more. Trust me, I'll be counting. Yeah. Free practice, I don't really use. People are watching you fail. In this game, it's kind of cool, but once you realize how stupid free practice is, just like that, it gets tricky. Besides, you're stuck in like a gallon of snow in the woods. Alright, I'll do it just 1 more time. And also, this is a mini clip, so I'd like to give a shout out to Mini Clip and my whole family. And I hope you enjoy this video, and that's awesome. And again, the controls are X, Z, and C, and space, and control pad. So and also it's on Mini Clip, and it's called Motocross Nitro, and I hope you enjoyed it. I'm just going to finish this lap. Bye!